Hi, my name's Haydar Hussain, the Divisional Franchisor for the Jim's Cleaning Group.
And I am Ali Olmans, CEO of Jim's Cleaning Group. And together with Haydar, we'll be doing weekly podcasts and have a theme for each week.
Excellent. What kind of things are we going to talk about, Ali?
I'll let you decide on that.
Well, it'd be interesting. I'd like to talk about my journey. 30 years it's nearly been with Jim's. We could talk a little bit about that.
Yes.
The growth rate that we've had, positive numbers every year, year on year.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive. How we support our franchisees. Our support rate's pretty high.
Great. That's a great starting point. And I guess things that we should focus on is the benefits of being a Jim's franchisee and what you get with it. But at the same time, our struggles and
there's been a few struggles over the years, hasn't
There's
there?
always a struggle, but how we overcome those struggles as well.
I like that. That would be a really good one to talk about, how we've changed people's lives. You know, there's at least 10,000 franchisees who have come in and out of our franchising. And I would like to say that a few of them left on a very, very happy note. Or they're still with us on a happy note.
Yeah, that's right. Over 1,700 franchisees now.
Not bad.
Not bad. With 40 franchisors and obviously our team here in the office. We just keep growing.
Great. All right, I look forward. See you next week.
See you on Monday.